Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make candied orange peel. I love this kind of candy for flavoring my tea or my coffee, or also to make traditional Italian desserts. Now cut the oranges in half. Juice them and drink the juice. Place the orange halves in a saucepan filled with cold water. And now we bring this to a boil. Simmer until the peels are tender, about 10-15 minutes. Drain them and let them cool. Scoop out the pulp. And now let's slice the peels. In a heavy saucepan, let's mix the water and the sugar. And now we add the peels. Let it simmer until almost all the liquid is absorbed. Drain the peels and let it cool overnight. The peels were draining overnight, and now we coat them in sugar to preserve them. They can last for a long time in the refrigerator. Toast the peels with granulated sugar.